Hello! So, in my last video, I did Faye Valentine. And guess what? I'm drawing her again. But this time, a bit of a close-up. Usually on part 1, I give a backstory of the character I'm drawing. Then on the second video of the same character, I talk about my drawing process. If you haven't noticed, I do use reference images for most of my drawings. But drawing the exact likeness isn't exactly my strong suit. If I like the form or pose, I just go with it. But I do get asked a lot how I manage to draw so tiny and pack a lot of details. I've been meaning to do a video of that for so long. Well, the short of it, I got really big eyes in real life. And second, it's just taking out the unnecessary details and zooming in on what matters in your reference. And here's a tip. If you aren't using any reference, just make sure you fit the head and shoulders, and the rest will figure itself out. Then add buildings or trees in perspective in the background, and voila, you've made the illusion of a detailed drawing. And yes, I'll get around to making a video of drawing tiny once I figure out exactly how I do it. Anyway, guys, I give to you Faye Valentine from Cowboy Bebop, Part 2. Enjoy.